Hey everyone! Welcome back to another internet guru. Today, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Candy Crush Saga. If you're wondering how to withdraw money from Candy Crush or the app itself, the short answer is you can't. There is no built-in feature that allows players to earn or withdraw real money by playing the game. Candy Crush, developed by King, does not offer real cash rewards for gameplay. It's designed purely for entertainment, not as a platform to earn income directly. However, if you're interested in making money related to Candy Crush, there are some indirect methods. For example, occasionally, real-life tournaments or online contests are held where top Candy Crush players can win cash prizes. Another option is to create content around the game, such as tutorials, tips, or gameplay videos, and share them on platforms like YouTube. With enough views and engagement, you can earn revenue through ads and sponsorships. So, while you can't directly withdraw money from Candy Crush, there are creative ways to turn your passion for the game into a source of income. But again, it's important to remember, the game itself does not offer real money rewards. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.